right, this is Mel
And Ash.
from the local lowdown, and we're outside of BJ's. It's freezing, and we're here with.
Shores.
Well, for a little while, but we'll discuss that in a bit.
The Winky Boys.
Alrighty, so how about we go around and introduce yourselves and the role you play in the band? Go for it.
I'm Dan. I play that lead guitar.
I'm James. I play the bass guitar.
Fat bass.
I'm Alex. I sing and play guitar.
I'm Trevor. I play drums.
And Andy's about to go play with another band that he's in, Giant and the Man Kids, so he's not here with us, but he plays guitar and sings backup vocals.
Nice. We're very happy to have you all here. I know you talked about it a little bit during the set. How does it feel to be back at your home stage, back in Fredonia performing?
Man, it's like, it's very wholesome. It's
Definitely bittersweet.
yeah.
Just seeing all the bands come through here, having part in running the show, and then seeing us playing it, or being the ones playing it, felt pretty cool.
Yeah, I mean, we all grew up basically in college in this bar, so to be on the final stage as a Eerie Shores, that is so special
We all
for us.
grew up in this bar after we turned 21.
Really?
Yeah, we never drank underage.
Post 21 for sure.
Right, for sure.
So, how about you guys explain what you mean by your last show as Eerie Shores, if you guys can divulge a little bit, if you guys want to.
Oh, there's
I mean,
This is like top secret.
Daniel.
Why y'all
You've
gotta
just
make
been-
my life so difficult?
You've just been demoted to
Sorry.
Winky Manager
Yes,
so
again.
you have to tell us now. You have to.
Okay.
Just a little bit. Just
Somebody else.
So the change that we're maybe doing.
the change that we're maybe doing.
maybe.
To sum it up and not give away too much at the same time.
Okay.
We all did a lot of growing up here at BJ's, but we also did a lot of growing up when we left BJ's. And while we love the sound that we created while we were here, as all young men do at points in their life, we grow.
Right. Sure.
And
beards and
we grow beards.
I have a neck beard.
Yeah, Dan's grown 2 inches.
I can see that.
Alone by since he's graduated. We mark his height on the
It
chalkboard.
paints such a picture
but,
for you
So
guys.
we're just obviously we're still playing because we love playing each other. We're all of each other's best friends.
We love playing each other.
We love playing each other. So basically, we're just maybe taking in a new direction. Who knows?
There's more to come.
A lot more to come.
Yeah.
All right, so that's the future, but
Eerie
Can you
Shores
tell
may
us-
be done, but we're not done.
for those who haven't heard Eerie Shores before tonight, could you tell us a little bit about the origin of the name Eerie Shores?
Dan came up with that
It's
one.
a good name.
One time I was sad and on the edge of Lake Erie, literally,
Okay.
and just writing stuff, and I wrote down Eerie Shores with the extra E because I thought it was cool. And then this was when I was in college here, and then when we were coming up with the name, we were just spitballing ideas, and I threw that out, and it was kind of the one that we all agreed on.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yes, any Fredonia student will know that going to the shore of Lake Erie and just staring at the lake is one of the 3 things you can do.
You gotta do it. You gotta get in your feels, really let
But
out.
when you
get
do it when
Possibly
it's
not
foggy
hopping.
outside and maybe a storm's brewing in, that's where it gets real eerie.
Yeah.
Yes, definitely.
So let's close this off with, you already told us of like your future plans, any new music, upcoming shows, anything that we can look for in the next coming weeks.
Yeah,
months.
as Giant and the Man Kids literally just starts ripping a set. Yeah, we have no upcoming shows because we're still working on this new thing.
Project.
And but we do stay tuned. Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Just stay tuned.
I feel like we've posted stories of us in the
Yeah,
recording
we-
studio.
we
Yes,
have
we have
music,
new music coming out
yeah.
at some point.
Yes.
What it is and what it will be under, you'll have to stay tuned, but yeah.
Just keep an eye on the Eerie Shores socials
Yes.
Yeah.
Well,
for more info.
thank you. As all of you, as you guys move on to a new era of your life, I just want you to know that the kids who are still in undergrad, we love live music. We're doing all we can to be a part of it. And so even though you guys might have moved past your BJ's era, we're keeping it, we're locking it down.
You guys are, yeah.
I just want to say thank you to you guys that continue to
Yeah.
keep it alive. I was lucky enough to work with local lowdown, like when I was in school, and I was able
Yeah.
to pass it on to wonderful people like you to keep it alive and help the music scene grow and prosper and to keep the conversation alive, which is what you guys are doing.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
keep going strong. This is amazing.
Alex.
Was it just me? If I could say one more thing,
Ten
this
four.
scene is very special. us growing up in it, watching tons of bands come through, and then the younger generations jumping on board. Like,
Yeah.
our education came from literally doing stuff like this,
Right.
doing local lowdown, DJs, and it's just like, it's great to see that stuff going on still. And it's
Also, I hate to be a nuisance, but
Uh-oh.
we were expecting you guys a couple weeks ago. Could we expect Eerie Shores, and I put that in quotes, potentially performing for the local lowdown, possibly next semester, now that we're towards the end?
I'm
we're a
down.
little too big for that now.
Oh, I thought this is where you start. Okay, anyway. Well, we'll send out an email just in case.
we're interested.
I'm definitely down. As long as I'm free. As long as I'm free, hit me up. Give me a date.
Well, I
I'll
was
put it in
gonna
the
say is
calendar.
we got to work on our acoustic stuff a lot, so we'll get there.
I think we could pull it off.
Yeah.
But yeah, definitely count on us
Yeah.
being there. We'll be there.
Okay.
Alex
Just,
has to learn how to play guitar first, and then over there.
He also needs to learn how to sing.
Oh my God. Okay. Anyway, well, thank you guys. Ended up on a perfect note. Anyway, well, thank you guys so much
That's what
for.
programming autotunes for, dude.
All right.
Thank you,
Well,
local lowdown.
as-
You guys rock.
no problem.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course.
Long live 37 Maple North Pole Strip Club.
Heck yeah.
Along with BJ's.